Hi, I'm Tim. Welcome to Watchbox, and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, tmosso at thewatchbox.com. It's in the description below. The purchase and pricing email question line for buying this or any watch you see here on Watchbox Reviews. Email me at tmosso at thewatchbox.com. And today we're discussing one of the best 2018 novelties to emerge from the great house of Omega. This is the Seamaster Railmaster Blue Denim. A year after the arrival of the new Seamaster Railmaster, this 40mm stainless steel timepiece features a lovely striated, multi-hued denim-style dial. The timepiece, all of satin finish, measures 12.6mm thick, which is actually thinner than I expected, and from lug to lug, a very compact 46.7mm with a 20mm spacing between the lugs. Let's throw it on my 16cm circumference wrist. The watch is handsome, comfortable, discreet, and relatively flat and flush. It will sit underneath a dress cuff of any kind. Comfortable and narrow across the wrist. I can recommend it for a wrist as small as 13cm circumference. There's a 20mm spacing between the lugs, so you'll be able to avail yourself of any strap in that fairly universal size. Throw the watch upside down. We take a look at the hardware. Now, the timepiece features a solid 3-link bracelet. As you can see, staggered alignment and staggered size, but all of satin finish, including on the flanks. Removable links fixed by screws, and you can see Omega has fitted half links for precise sizing. There's a double fold clasp with matching steel, and you can see its underside is curved to match the arc of the wrist. It is a twin trigger clasp, so you must press both triggers to open. It's not friction fit and there's no clamshell. This is the right way to build a clasp. This is an entry-level model in the Omega catalog, but it does not feel that way. Everything is subdued satin finish, but it's the familiar Omega case with the lyre-style lugs. They turn inward, they turn outward. The bevels flare at the end of the lug profile, and the mid-case is longitudinally satin finished. The key here is that so are the bevels, giving the watch a wonderful glare resistance. Now, this is the post 2017 Aquaterra style case with a sort of conical crown profile and no shear guard that makes it easier to access the crown. You have a bezel with concentric circular satination, and then a dial that features references to the vintage reference CK2914 that was the original Railmaster of 1957, but you can see this is not the trilogy model from 2017. It's not as slavishly retro. So you have that dart style hour track outboard with quarter Arabic numerals, crosshair center, and the railroad style minutes and seconds, but the watch is very much its own thing, especially when we start talking about the dial with those lovely different hues of blue that are so thickly ridged they appear to almost have height in their own right. Now, you do have the look of denim across the dial, and there's a wonderful true denim strap you can buy from Omega to fit this watch. As ever, I say buy on bracelet and get the strap as an accessory, not the other way around. Now, the crown screws down. It is a 150-meter water-resistant watch, and though you can't see much behind the traditional hippocampus or seahorse, I can tell you what's inside. It's the caliber 8806, which is basically the movement you find in the Diver 300-meter, but without the date window. It beats away at 25,200 vibrations per hour because it uses Omega's co-axial escapement, invented by George Daniels in 1974, industrialized by Omega in 1999, and now as accurate and as durable as anything you'll find in a Rolex catalog. It remains the most exotic escapement you can buy for under $50,000. The watch is also a master chronometer, which takes the ISO 3159 standards of the COSC and adds to them one extra position of adjustment, a fully cased up final watch test rather than a bare movement, also testing power reserve, winding efficiency, water resistance, and anti-magnetism. And in that vein, the watch is quite resistant, with a silicone hairspring making the watch effectively amagnetic despite the nomenclature, and there is a full balance bridge with a free-sprung index for shock resistance. The timepiece, which pivots on 35 jewels, has a stop seconds function, so you can halt the seconds hand and synchronize to a known accurate reference time. This is a watch that gives you just about everything you could want in a sports watch from a great brand with a great history. This is a watch that offers a wonderful option to anyone who loves fine timepieces, regardless of wrist size, and it wears well with any attire. Email tmosso at thewatchbox.com to take the plunge and ride the rails with the Seamaster Railmaster. Back by night with the Omega Seamaster Railmaster Blue Denim.